5 bra styles every woman should have. We're going to start out with the strapless bra. This is the Wonder Bra, and this is a push-up strapless bra. My breasts are what you may refer to as saggy boobs or long breasts. They just naturally hang. So I usually love to have a push-up bra. A strapless bra doesn't have to be a push-up. I need it for a little bit of lifting. So this is the one that I'm showing you. The next bra every woman should have is a lace bra. I love a good lace bra. I love having them peeking through under a nice button down. They are just so sensual, sexy. I think every woman should have one. This one is from Target. The girls on TikTok rave about this bra, and I just had to pick it up. Now, if you see this kind of cutting here, this cut of bra in the front here, I don't know what the correct term is, but it gives a natural looking lift to sagging boobs. I personalize my collection for my needs, and I think you should do the same. This gives me a great lift. I love this. It's sexy and it's super inexpensive, okay? This was $17. $17 from the Auden collection. By the way, everything that I am showing you will be linked in the description box so you can shop it all. I got a size 34 double D in this. It is the perfect size for my current weight. One thing that I wanted to mention in this video is that your bra size will change as you gain or lose weight. So I gained about 20 pounds and I am currently a 34 double D. Some of these bras that I am showing you are actually a 32C for 2020. When I was 20 pounds lighter, I was wearing a 32C. So my cup size was smaller and my bend size, the 32 is the bend size, my bend size was smaller. As I gained weight, my bend size is 34 and my cup size is a double D. Or a D depending on the bra. Another lace bra that I wanted to show you, this is from Understance. I absolutely adore this. I know Understance sponsors a lot of influencers. This video is not sponsored. I purchased this with my own money and it is just another stunning bra. It gives a little bit of lift as well, but a very different lift compared to the Target one, and that is because of the cut here. The cut in the front of your bra here will dictate what kind of a lift you are going to get. So keep that in mind. And this bra here is a good example of sizes changing. I bought this when I bought this also in 2020. I was a 32C. Back then, 2020, 2021, I was a 32C. So this is too small for me. I probably need a 34D at this point. I love this. It is another option that you can get. If you can't get your hands on the Target one, that's a good option. The next bra every woman needs is a sports bra. I love a good sports bra. This is from Solid & Stripes. This is from a sports kit that I have. I just love them. Some sports bras come with the padding inside that gives you lift. I have some of those, and I also have this. This one pushes the boobs towards one another and it gives me a nice cleavage and a nice lift, which I love. So even if you are not someone who works out, I highly recommend getting some sports bras in your collection because they look good. The next bra that every woman should have is a full coverage bra. This is another one from Understance, and this one has the lace. It also has padding for a little bit of push-up for my long breasts, sagging breasts, whatever you want to call them. And this one I got in a size, this is a 32C, but it actually fits me now. Influencers rave about this being a very comfortable bra. This is a very comfortable bra, which is why it still fits me even though I gained weight. I highly recommend this bra. I will link it down below for you ladies to check it out. It gives you great coverage, great support. Now you may be wondering, why do I have the other lace bras? When I want to have my lace bra peeking through underneath a dress, underneath a button down, I do not want the amount of lift that I get from this. I want a very natural lift, like the natural lift that the Target bra gave me. That's the kind of lift I'm looking for when I'm wearing, especially a wide button down. I feel like they could be overwhelming on top for my frame because I have broad shoulders and they just could look overwhelming. So if I have a bra that's pushing up, okay, so my breasts are up, broad shoulders, wide button down, it's just too much volume. So having a lace bra that doesn't have the push up is very necessary for my body shape and my style. Now, this is a full coverage bra. Full coverage bra, very necessary for every woman. And I will link other options of full coverage bra down below. If you're not interested in the lace, this one, I'll link a few others for you down below. So, last but not least is a backless bra. I got this from the Backless collection from Skims. I don't know if this is still available. If it is, I will link it down below. But you can also DIY a backless bra for yourself. Let me know if you would like to see that. One of my favorite ladies here on YouTube, Fumi, she has a video on how to DIY a backless bra. I will link that down below. This one came already backless from Skims, and I got the size small medium. I feel like I can go for a bigger size now because again, I bought this back in 2020 when I was 20 pounds lighter. I feel like right now it's really digging into my skin. A backless bra is very necessary for those backless tops, backless dresses, especially now that we are coming into spring and summer. It's going to be backless season, so very, very necessary. These are the top 5 bras I feel like every woman should have in her collection. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and let me know if there's anything else you want me to cover, and I will be more than happy to make that video for you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Au revoir.